Look at that. Look at that. Can you read it? No, you can't. So we're here at Bodo's Parrot Paradise in Alcoy, Cebu. It's a pretty nice place here. We're overlooking the ocean. We could see the island of Bohol from a distance from here. And look at all these manicured plants. It's pretty. They have a swimming pool. They have a stage out there. Yeah, there's swimming pool.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And a staff just waiting to help you.
Mm-hmm.
What a view.
What is this for, babe? What is that for? For sucking me in?
Yep.
Whoa. There's a frog. Whoa. I'm afraid of heights. It's nice. And their pots are shaped into seashells. Their pots, they're shaped into seashells. Seashell, seashore, she sells seashell, she sells seashells in the seashore. Yeah, nice. We're strolling around here while waiting for our food to be served. Oh, nice. If you're gonna swim here and you're not wearing the proper swimwear, you will be charged 500 pesos. They have a bar. Is that a bar? What's this, jacuzzi?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at that. Look at that. Can you read it? No, you can't. QR. Huh? Shower.
If you're here by yourself, you just do constant observation
Yeah.
by all these people that work here. I mean, you can say it's nice to have a place to yourself. It'd be overstaffed.
Yeah, they got birds.
Yeah,
Parrot.
That's a morning bird.
They talk.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
They speak Filipino.
What did it speak? What? Hello. 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 We're going back to the restaurant.
A few moments later.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. Ang natira na lang is buto-buto. At itong lettuce. Yun ang sasawa ko. Pizza ang sa kanya. Their food is okay. Ang ganda talaga dito. Aalis na kami later. Yung kalsada is nasa ano lang, baba.